Hello everyone, I am Andrea Luisiao and I'm going to tackle about computer-assisted translation. So let's begin. What is computer-assisted translation? It's an interactive work between humans and machines to facilitate the process of translation and provide a high-quality out, and also is a process that includes the use of software to aid individuals in translating. In case of time constraints, a computer-assisted translation tool can effectively reduce the translation time, enabling the translator to translate content in a timely manner. How does computer-assisted translation work? CAT software works by breaking the source text into smaller, translatable segments. The CAT software then saves the translated segment and source segment in a translation database. In CAT software, lets a human translator access saved segment of a translated fragments at any given time to be reused either in the same document or in a different one or used when two segments do not match completely. The process helps ensure that the terminology and writing style of the original source material is translated accurately. A brief history of CAT tools. In 1950s, interest in translation technology grew since the 1950s, when the needs for translation started to expand exponentially while the productivity of translators remained constant. This created an expensive and time-consuming bottleneck in the workflow of a corporation, a problem waiting to be addressed since the mid-60s. Companies look for a method to use computers to aid translators, especially to reuse previous translation by aligning parallel bilingual text. In 1990s, Trados released a Windows version. One of the first commercial products to provide this functionality was translation support system created in USA, but the technology only found its foothold with the release of Trados Multi-Term and Translator Workbench in early 1990s by German company Trados. In 1994, Trados released a Windows version of a MS Word interface and received a major boost in 1997 when Microsoft decided not only to use their products for external localization needs but also acquire a 20% share in the company despite of competition from the likes of IBM Translation, Manager 2, Store Transit, and Deja Vu. By the end of the decade, Trados became the clear market leader in CAT software until it was acquired by the competitor SDL in 2005. In 2009, recent years have seen a number of new translation tools enter the market and a number of mergers and acquisitions. In 2009, Google entered the fray with the release of Google Translation Toolkit. Other modern CAT tools of note are the MemoQ and the Word. The best CAT software also includes these other features. Autosuggest. This feature provides recurring words and phrases and eliminates the need to retype them every time they appear. Quality assurance. This function checks the translation for omission and numerical inconsistencies and proves that the translation using target language standard. Side-by-side alignment. This feature lets a translation compare source segment and target text in a side-by-side presentation, helping to maintain workflow by preventing the translator from getting lost between two documents. CAT Tools feature. CAT tools are similar to a text editor such as a Microsoft Word, only with additional features useful for a translation professional. There are many products on the market with different sets of features included. This is a list of common features that can be found in CAT tools. Term bases. Term bases are the translation glossary that are built from frequently occurring words or phrases such as technical terms and brand names. They are used to be pre-translate occurring words and phrases and to assist translator in maintaining consistency. Translation memory. Translation memory is a aligned record of previously created translation. When identical or similar segments are found in a new translation project, translation memory allows to reuse the previous translation with or without modification. Quality assurance. Quality assurance relies on a combination of technology and processes to prevent errors from creeping into translation projects. The QA process starts before a project is sent for translation, continues throughout translation and editing, and lasts until after finalizing the new text in a final format. Resource lookup. Resource lookup gives access to online and offline resources such as dictionaries and reference materials. Word counts and match analysis. Word counts and match analysis provides number of words or characters along with any internal matches. This forms the basis of codes for translation services. Term extraction. Term extractions allows the extraction of term lists from translation memories or translated and aligned documents to use in term bases. Conversion. Conversion of files between translation specific and source formats. Alignment. Alignment is a process of matching segments in the source text with their translated redentions in order to create a new translation memory file. Machine translation. Integration allows connecting an external machine translation engine, which is display machine translated word and phrases to translator, who can accept or reject them. Concordance search are manual search in a translation memory for particular word or phrase. Predictive typing. Predictive typing suggests complete word and phrases to translator as they type based on content of dictionaries, term bases, and translation memory. Spell check. Spell check is more advanced form of tools typically seen in simple text editor. It allows the selection of not only language and flavor, but also specific grammar and style rule. Software localization features. Software localization features allow translator to work on software files directly and see the result of their work and mirror redention of the user interface of the software being translated. Once translation is done, the localized string are automatically reintegrated in the software. Controlled authority. Controlled authority prevents writer from using inconsistent terminology, highlights common error, and produce standardized output that is search engine friendly and translation ready. C80 tools are generally used by individual translator and editors. More robust system used by translation providers and translation departments inside corporation that allows for management of linguists and management of translation workflows. Invoicing and billing are known as translation management system. Pros and cons of computer-assisted translation. Pros and cons of computer-assisted translation. Pros of computer-assisted translation. Save time, reduce errors, ensures consistency, speed up large translation, speed up highly technical translation, widely available and relatively inexpensive. And the cons of computer-assisted translation. It's just a tool, poor accuracy, cannot understand context, is your translation secure, or not great for creative material.